Hello everyone, welcome back to Michelle's Creative Pages. Have you ever wondered how I print and cut my stickers? Today I'm going to show you exactly how I print out my sticker kits and cut them using my scan and cut machine. Now I should say I've only had this machine for about a week, so I'm definitely still learning, but I do know how to cut out my stickers, so I'm going to show you the process today. This video is for all my lovely viewers that have asked me how to do this, so I'm going to show you today. And if you're thinking about getting a scan and cut machine to cut out your sticker kits, this video might help with that decision. I'm going to go through step by step how to print and cut out this sticker sheet. So let's begin. Right, the first thing you need to do is find your file for your sticker sheet that you want to print out. So I've got mine in a file, and I'm going to choose this one, and this is the one we're going to print and cut out today. So I'm going to go up to File and down to Print, and this will bring up your printing settings, and these are the settings that I use. I've preset them here, but I'm going to show you each setting. Right, you want to print in colour, you want the double-sided off, and here I've chose A5 paper. This is your rotation. I'm going to take auto rotate off, and I'm going to click here and put scale to fit on. And then here, these are my media settings and quality settings. So these are the settings that I use. Always make sure you choose the right paper, and I always print at best. And then I'll print. But I'll show you here. If you go in here and go down here, you can flip your sticker sheet the different way. So if you click this, you can see it flips your sticker sheet. So if you click it again, it goes back. And this is good if you want to choose a sticker sheet and flip it for Dutch doors. And now I'm going to press print. And this now will be sent to my printer. Right, now the sticker sheet is printing out. Just to let you know, I use a Canon Pixma TS8351 printer. It's an amazing printer, this, I love it. And the sticker paper that I use is from onlinelabels.com. I buy A4 matte white sticker paper and I cut it down to A5. I design my sticker kits to be printed out onto A5. I don't change them for any of the sizes of journal that I use, so I still use the A5 size sheets for my 8x8s, for my B5s, for my A5s. And the settings I've shown you today, I use them for all my sticker kits. The only time I ever change things is if I've got the long Dutch doors that I design sometimes. I might put the scale to fit off, but that's the only thing I ever change. If you do have any questions, you can always put it in the comments section and I will answer your questions. This is nearly printed and we can cut this out next, and I'll be using my scan and cut to cut it out. If you don't have a cutting machine, you can always fussy cut these out. I did that for a very long time. I've now put the sticker sheet on my scan and cut mat, so this is ready to be loaded into the machine. You can put 2 sheets at a time on the mat, but I'm just going to put one on today. So next I'm going to show you me putting it in the scan and cut machine. So here's my machine, and I'm going to just load this mat in. I'm going to press the load button and it will feed into the machine and then it will stop. Right, now we're ready to press this button here, which is a picture of the machine, and this will now, once I press start, it will scan this sheet. So it's going in and it's scanning all the design, and then it'll come back out, and the machine has now finished scanning that sticker sheet. I'm going to show you a close up now of all the steps to cut this out. So these are the steps I've just done, and these are the buttons you have to press. So you want direct cut, and there's your machine, so you press that, and then press start, and this is where it's scanning it. And there we are, it's scanned it. So I'm going to press OK, and I'm going to drag these arrows so it goes up close. I'm going to grab this one and move it to it. And I just move it around till I get it in a perfect spot. Then I press this button, and there's your sheet. So now we need to edit it a little bit. So I'm going to press edit, and I'm going to just delete the bits that I don't want to cut out. So these little bits, I'm just going to delete these. These are just marks that it's picked up on the mat. So you just press it and press the delete button. And I'm just doing that for all these little bits that I don't want to cut out. And there we are, that's all ready. So I press OK. And then I want to go to here because I want to give it a little bit of a border. So I'm just going to press this once. And this will make a little border around the stickers. And I'm going to press OK. And now it's ready to cut. So I'm going to press cut and start. And this now will cut out all the stickers perfectly. I'm not going to speed up this process. I'm going to let you see how long it takes to cut out this sticker kit. So I'm just going to play a little bit of music. Right, the sticker kit's now all cut out. So I'll show you how I remove it from the mat. Turn the mat over and I put my hand down and peel the mat away from the sticker sheet. So let's have a look now how good this cut out. So get my little pick and I can lift it off. There's something really satisfying about peeling away the finished stickers. And it's perfect. A beautiful smooth edge all the way around the stickers. And that's my current process for printing and cutting my sticker kits. I'm very still new to scan and cut, but I'm already really enjoying learning how to use it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more journaling content and sticker making content. And let me know in the comments, do you use a cutting machine or are you thinking about getting one? I will put all the links to everything that I've used today in my description box, and also a link to my Patreon if you would like to check out my sticker kits. And I'll see you next video. Bye for now.